Students, today we are going to discuss a topic on acids, where acids are sour in taste and it is in the liquid form. Example, if you take lemon, if you take the lemon juice directly, you feel that it is sour in taste. And where it is, the juice is nothing in the form of a liquid only. So let us go deep into it. A substance with particular chemical properties, including the turning litmus red. That means the acidity, that the acidic nature, it shows in the form of the color is red. So let us see how. So the paper stained with litmus, which is used to indicate the acidity or the alkalinity of the substances, where acidic means where we, as we already discussed about the showing of an acid. So where if you take a litmus paper, the chemical substance paper, which is a blue color and it shows the red color, when it is showing the red color, it represents that is nature is acidic, that means concentrated. So if you put your finger in it, it shows the acidic. Your cells which is present on the finger, it's all going to affect it and you can't produce the new cells in it, because all the cells will get damaged because of this chemical substances. And acids you can describe in many ways, like the first one is of strong acids, where acids, that refers to the tendency of an acid, that means a strong acid in solution is effectively complete except in most concentrated solution. As I told that if a drop of acid is fallen on your finger, or if you dip your finger in an acid, it all the cells which is present on the exposed part is going to die, so you are no longer. The same thing here it is explained. And some of the strong acids are hydrochloric acid, the nitric acid. Hydrochloric acid, which is the most strongest acid, and this hydrochloric acid is present in our stomach, where it kills all the microbes which is present in our stomach. When we are eating the food and all, our food first travels into the esophagus, that is the food pipe, and through food pipe it travels into the stomach, where which is present to the left side of your below your heart, where this here the HCl is present. And you can ask me that if the HCl is present in the stomach, how can we live, because it's an acid. But here there is a layer which is present in your stomach, that is called mucous membrane, which protects this stomach, this organ of our, and it all the acid which is present. So when the food flows into this stomach, this acid will kill all the harmful microbes, and then the food travels into the intestine. So some other examples are nitric acid, which is also very dangerous acid. So let us talk about the weak acid. Weak acid, it is partially dissociated with both the undissociated acid and its dissociated products being present in the solution. And here the meaning of the dissociate means it's separated, that means partially separated with both, not separated, not dissolves, like not like it won't form into the separation and it forms into the separation. For example, in a present solution, for example, I'll give you, if you take a test tube and you're taking some certain solutions in it, and in a solution you can see I've drawn a certain solution in it. It forms like a strands like substances, where in a solution it is separated but it is very lighter, so that half of it you can observe and half of it you can't observe it, so that it is not dissolving and it is not separating completely. So this process where it shows is nothing but the weak acids. And one of the weak acid I can tell you is acetic acid. And you can show the pH level, that is the neutral value of the acids. So let us see how. Here I have shown you neutral value and acidic nature and the basic nature. So a scale of measuring this hydrogen ions concentration in a solution called the pH scale, and it has been developed. So the pH stands for Potens in German, and meaning the power. And one of the pH scale we can measure pH from 0, that is very acidic, to 14, very alkaline, where pH should be through the simply as the number which indicates the acidic and the basic in nature. Highly, the hydronium ions concentrations lowers the pH value. And also the pH of the neutral solution is 7, where I have mentioned here. And values less than 7 on the pH scale represents the acidic solution, and whereas the value increases from 7 to 14, it represents an increase of OH minus ions, that is the basic solutions. So that is the increase in the strength of alkali, acidic nature, and is the universal indicator to used for measuring the pH values. This is about the topic. Thank you.